During the last, probably I would say around 6 months or something, I've been sending free signals in my Telegram channel. Now, the only reason why I actually decided to do this is because I knew that some people didn't have enough funds in order to pay for certain apps that I have, including the BLW Binary Master app, the Signal groups and stuff. And some of you don't even trust paid services. So giving you free stuff is usually the best way I can help you make money, and then you can help someone else. So in this specific video, I'm going to share with you how I send free signals on Telegram and trade along with you, because I don't just send signals and you do whatever you want to, and I trade on demo. No, I trade live with you so that we can all be together on the same ship. Literally right now, I actually sent a signal in my Telegram channel that is right here saying that this was a put setup. I'm not sure if I'm gonna win it, but so far it's actually doing good, and yes, I ended up winning it. So I'm gonna teach you exactly how I do this right now so you can start doing something similar. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube, and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today we are going to be trading live, and I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial as to how I send my signals on Telegram so you can start following me as well. The link is in the description of this video. Every single day, or at least every time I trade, I send free signals so you can copy me. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, people, so I placed 3 more positions right now on the same setup, and I actually sent it like this: AUD USD OTC put setup. I'm trading OTC because I teach people how to trade OTC on Pocket Option, and that's it. The broker, by the way, that I'm using is going to be Pocket Option. The link is in the description of this video, and you should open a free demo account with them if you want to check it out. By the way, if you want to open an account with Expert Options as well, I have the link in the description of this video, and they offer you a 120% bonus that don't affect your withdrawals. You can withdraw any profits out of those 120% bonus. All right, so kind of jumped too much, but I'm actually getting pretty good entries because the market is now completely overbought, which is exactly what I'd like in a market, to have the pushback down. We're gonna see. Obviously, I'm risking a lot, but we're gonna see if that risk actually pays off later on. It would all depend on this candlestick actually. If not, I'm still gonna have more entries. Some of you probably already know me, and you guys already know that I actually take sometimes higher risks, but most of the times I get paid off. Let's see, I have more entries. The next red candle can save our asses. So let's see, I'm getting signals on the indicator, so I'm just gonna lower the volume a little bit. I posted a video recently in regards to the new BLW indicator that is coming up in January, or if you're watching this obviously after January, then probably you already seen it. And that application is actually going to be in regards to this strategy specifically. This strategy has made, not me, but in group, we made during this last weekend. Last week, we made over $261,000 all combined, because we all made a certain amount of money. So I was kind of crazy. All right, so yeah, kind of risking too much, and my account is kind of being not blown, but I mean, I'm not gonna be where I want it to be. I think I need this red candle to continue like this, and it's dropped. All right, there you go. If it stays right there, I'm gonna recover everything that I lost. All right, cool. All right, now we're talking. All right, there you go. And I'm gonna end up in profit. I know some of you probably didn't think I was gonna win this, and you were like, oh, this guy's a gambler. Check this out. Now take a look at my balance. I think I started like at 70,000 or something like that. I'm not quite sure. Oh shoot, the jump is kind of killing me. Wow, all right. It's becoming more risky. I already recovered my profits, my money, and right now I'm making profits. Literally right now. Boom, $90,000. Does anybody remember what was my initial balance though? Because I don't remember. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to go through the math. All right, I'm gonna wait for the price to actually update right here. Risky. Be careful. But the reason why it's risky is because in 5 minutes, oh, right now it's reaching actually the RSI. All right. Should I trade more? I really don't think I should. You know what? What I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to give you the tutorial as to what is it that I'm doing. Because I already made like $20,000, so I shouldn't risk more. Now, what is it that I do when I actually send my signals? First thing first, what's the strategy I'm using? The strategy I'm using is the RSI strategy for 1 minute trades. What that means is that we're going to place 1 minute positions, okay? I've explained this strategy a lot of times, but it's okay to explain it once more. Let's see. Choose jumps on 1 minute candles. All right, I got it wrong. All right. And so, first of all, we're going to add 3 indicators. Number 1 is the simple moving average on 50. Second of all, we're going to go and choose the RSI. What's important is the period is 14, and what's important is the 50 level. All right. You have to have the 50 level. If by any chance you're using a different broker that only offers you 2 levels, type in 50 in both of them. So you can only have 1 line. Okay. And the third indicator is this one right here called stochastic oscillator, 14, 3, and 3. That's the periods that you need. And 80 and 20, it would be the level. All right. Once you actually undefine this, what's important is the trend of the market. And the trend is determined directly by the simple moving average on the 50 level. Why? Because if the moving average is above the candlesticks, it means it's going down. It's a downtrend. And if the market or the moving average is below the candlesticks and going up, that's an uptrend. Once you identify this, what we need to identify is that in every trend, there are some pullbacks or retracements. All right. This happens on an uptrend and this happens on a downtrend. Does that make sense? So what we need to be looking at if we want to trade with this strategy is at these points of retraction. If it's an uptrend, we're going to look for lower lows. Okay, the lowest point possible. And if you're looking for a downtrend, you're going to look for the highest points. How do you identify this? Simply, you go into 5 minute candlesticks right here, and you're going to determine, first of all, the trend. Second of all, you're going to look at the RSI. The RSI will determine when the price will actually retract. Not guaranteed, but most of the times. When the RSI gets to a 50 level, that means that the price will retract, which is exactly what's happening right now. So you need to double check this out with the 50-minute candlesticks. The trend has to be the same. 50-minute candlesticks. Sometimes I actually go against the trend in 15, but the best way to do it is going with the trend in 15 and in 5. As you can see, it's a downtrend also in 5 minutes. So 15 minutes. So that's good. So we're good in 5 minutes. And the last thing that you got to check is the stochastic. The blue line is the one that crosses the red line. When the blue line crosses the red line, it means that there's going to be a drop. When the blue line crosses the red line going up, that means that there's going to be a jump. Simple, right? If you are having trouble with any of these parts, go and rewind the video. Now, once you actually have those criteria met, all you got to do is go into 1 minute candlesticks. And what is it that you do? You wait. You wait for the right moment to enter. If the RSI in 50 level is being touched in 5 minutes, you got to wait for jumps. And more importantly, that the blue line on stochastic is above the red line. Not literally crossing, but above. All right. And if you're looking for a put position, you got to wait for the blue line to be below the red line. That means that eventually we'll start crossing. And then when you see those drops for a call position or jumps for a put position, then you enter 1 minute trades. You can enter the trades that you want. It depends on how much you're investing. If you are placing trades with 2% of your balance, probably 2 trades will be enough. If you're placing 0.5% per trade, then you can place probably 5-6 trades. Does that make sense? So be careful with that. And more importantly than anything, go ahead and practice on demo before you jump with real money. All right, so I guess my balance was actually 79,000. I thought it was 70,000, but that's fine. $11,208 is what I did today. And I placed $600 trades, and my maximum profit obviously was the payout per trade, $552. And if you take a look at my actual accuracy, is 64%. It wasn't as good, okay? And I was still doing pretty good. Yesterday, I did even better with $11,700 in profit, but with an 84% accuracy. That is okay. But what's important to understand is that you can make profit with this specific strategy, and following my signals, of course, on Telegram. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. And if you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.